If you are facing an issue on your iPhone 12 Pro Max where you can't hear the caller's voice and the receiver can't hear your voice either, there could be various underlying causes including software glitches, microphone speaker issues, or network settings. So in order to fix all this, all you have to do is simply start with restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a temporary glitch can cause audio issues during calls. To restart, press and hold the volume up down button and the silent button simultaneously until the slider appears. Slide to power off and then turn the phone back on after a few seconds. After that, go back to the settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the settings, tap on the cellular data or mobile data option available there. Then simply tap on the cellular data options, and after you tap on it, tap on the voice and data. Inside there, if the VoLTE option is toggled on, then make sure to toggle it off. After you toggle off the VoLTE option, go back to the settings again. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.